Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Sumif function. Simple, easy and very effective function to calculate the values based on a condition. So what do we have? We have sales data. It contains all the details like salesman, sales amount, etc. What do you want to achieve? We need to find out sales by salesman. You see the salesman listed in white and we just want to find out what are the sales figure by salesman in these gray cells. Sumif function is the solution. First parameter is range. This is the criteria where actually the test is done. It can also be treated as the range for doing the submission if the third parameter, which is optional, we're going to talk about it, is not provided. Criteria can be very simple test condition. It can be a greater than value or lower, lesser than value or equal to value. And some range, like I said, it's an optional parameter and if provided will be used to do the submission. Let's see the quick demo. So here's a sales table. It contains all the sales data, and this is what we need to achieve. Let's jump in. This is the range where we need to do the test. We want to compare it with this salesman value. And we also want to see the total of the sales done by that particular salesman. Since we have to drag it and use for all the other salesmen, drag the formula for other salesmen, we'll convert this into absolute value. As always, press F4. Since we have to drag it and the row numbers will change, so the test criteria will remove $sign in front of the row. So it's going to change from I3 to I4 and I5 and so on. Here we go. We got the sales number for all the sales done by Katie. So let's see if we have got the right results. Katie. So the total of sales done by Katie is 17,745, which you can see in the right bottom, and that is what we have received here by our formula. Now to get this value for all of the salesmen, simply drag it down. And here we go. We have sales by all the salesmen. Total sales is just the submission, which is 45,365. To validate it, we can do auto sum here, and we got the same number. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.